Hello there. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video, and on this specific training we're going to continue our Salesforce integration and setup, but more specifically we're going to be talking about the accounts object. For those of you who work primarily out of the accounts object, you may be looking at lists of accounts that you need to follow up with or prospect to and wishing that you could power through those calls using PhoneBurner. And the great news is you can. Once you've installed the PhoneBurner app into your Salesforce org, all you have to do is add the PhoneBurner button to the accounts object. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. In the upper right hand corner, we're going to click on the gear and we're going to go to Setup. Once that loads, we're going to click on Object Manager. Once on the Object Manager, we're going to go ahead and find the account object and we're going to click on that. And in the account object, over on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Search Layouts. From Search Layouts, for the default layout, we're going to click on the menu over on the right-hand side and go to Edit. And here you should see the Begin Account PhoneBurner Session button. Go ahead and select that and click Add and Save. Once that's done, click on List View Button Layout over on the left-hand side. Now over on the right-hand side, click on the menu and click Edit. And you should see Begin Account PhoneBurner Session listed as an available button in the custom buttons here. So go ahead and select that and add it. Once you've added it, go ahead and save. And that's it. You've now added the PhoneBurner button to your list view layouts on accounts. So we're going to jump back over to our list of accounts and we're going to refresh this page. Once we refresh, you should see the Begin Account PhoneBurner Session button listed there. Thanks for taking a moment to watch this video, and happy dialing.